Welcome to Kids Entertainment and Drawing.
Hello kids, let's learn the alphabet A to Z with toys. Capital letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Let's paint. A for aeroplane. B for balloon. C for car. D for doll. E for elevator. F for fire truck. G for gift. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for Jack in the Box. K for kite. L for lamb. M for monkey. N for nest. Try, set. O for octopus. P for panda. Q for coin. R for robot. S for spaceship. T for train.
H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P
for umbrella.
W, X, Y, and Z.
V for van.
I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
W for wagon.
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R,
X for xylophone.
U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't
Y for yo-yo.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
And Z for zebra.
L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Let's repeat again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
With me.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N,
H, I,
O, P, Q, R, S, T, U,
T,
V, W, X, Y, and Z.
V.
Bye bye.